ARTEPISO, a 100% Ecuadorian company. Leader in the national market and manufacturer of architectural concrete. Our company offers revolutionary products in the market and with the highest quality standards. We market innovative products created thanks to the technology and implementation of new techniques, complemented by a great team. Thanks to this, the product acquires new shapes, colors, and textures that are not achieved with any other material. We work with the most recognized architect firms in the country and export our product to more than 10 countries in Latin America, the United States, and Europe. We maintain a high commitment to the environment. Our production processes are carried out using water and avoiding the use of artificial light. The materials used avoid waste during construction and prevent the exploitation of natural raw material. It's been 17 years of constant work. Our products have decorated environments around the world. Providing a feeling of satisfaction and warmth. As ARTEPISO, we are committed to continue working under rigorous standards of excellence. To deliver to our customers the best products, and that each space is the one you always dreamed of. ARTEPISO, the new standard in stone.